Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! I'm Nevermore, teaching you some tips and tricks sa larong Honor of Kings. So matagal-tagal na din since the global release ng HOK at medyo madami-naming games na din yung nalaro ko, and last July 1 lang din ako naging Grandmaster. So share ko lang din sa inyo guys yung mga knowledge and experiences ko about the game. So the hero spotlight for today is Mai Shiranui. Bale, ngayong season, may tatlo siyang skin. Ito yung main skin niya, which is classic. Epic skin niya, Felon Whisperer. And the blessed skin, which makukuha mo lang sa event, which is Scarlet Moon. Yun,
When we
napaka-akas
knock
guys.
on your door, do not be fearful. We only seek reunion.
Bale, si Mai Shiranui pala guys is a mid laner mage na nag-excel sa team fight and also sa solo kills, ambush. So try natin dito guys sa training yung skills niya. So yung passive niya yung ito, yung magna-knockback yung kalaban. Tapos every skill or enhanced basic attack, may free dash siya, free dash or free roll. Yan, may ikot, nakita nyo. Pwede din kayo hindi umikot kung gusto nyo. Yung first skill niya is airborne, crowd control. Yan, pwede siya gamitin sa madaming kalaban.
Just how dense are you to keep rejecting?
Yan. Second skill ni Mai Shiranui is yung damage niya, yung main damage na skill niya. Bali yung second skill niya may minus magic resist, tapos malaki yung damage at may slow. At yung ulti niya is crowd control. Bali parang passive lang din siya. Pero mas malakas yung malaki yung sakop, mas malakas yung damage. So ito yung normal combo niya. Second skill, dash, first skill, ulti, basic attack. Ulitin natin. Second skill, dash, first skill, dash, ulti, normal attack. Ulitin natin na walang cooldown. Dito.
I can hear your heart
Nalilagay.
palpitating.
Ito yung target natin. Second skill, dash. Yun. Punta naman tayo sa preparation niya, Mai Shiranui. So yung bagay niya pala sa kanya guys na arcana is Nightmare, Reincarnation, at Mind's Eye. So mas maganda dito pag na-upgrade mo sila ng level 5. So dito pa lang sa Reincarnation ko is level 1. So pangit siya. Pero may event tayo na may libreng level 5. So 1 month yata yun. Mas maganda pag na-upgrade siya hanggang level 5 para malakas yung early mo. Malakas yung arcana mo. Yung skills niya, either flash or execute. Maganda tong execute para ma-one hit combo mo yung kalaban na sure kill. While yung flash, pwede mo mas ma-chase or makapagtakas. And yung magandang build dito guys is ganito. Yan. Yun ito yung preset na ginagamit ko pag nagra-rank game ako kay Mai Shiranui. So try na natin.
Overlord and Tyrant have been in hand. Cannons moving out. You have slain an enemy. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Victory!
O di ba? Maangas! Try nyo na din to. Please leave a like, comment, follow, share, and subscribe. Hanggang sa muli! Paalam!